Precedence of operators in Python. Evaluation of the expression is completely based on the precedence of operator. Which operator is to be evaluated first? If we have more than one operator in an expression. So we have unary operators, we have binary operators. Binary operators are the operators with two operands, a plus b, a minus b. Unary operator is the one with only one operand, minus a, minus b. So we have a table, lists the precedence of all the operators from highest to lowest. So look at the order of precedence. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Look at 4, addition and subtraction. Both are having equal precedence. Whatever comes first will be evaluated first. In the same case with the multiplication, division, modulo and floor division also, whatever comes first will be evaluated first. Multiplication and division are having higher precedence when you compare with plus and minus. And the highest importance is given to the one which is placed within parenthesis. And the expression is evaluated from left to right. The associativity is from left to right. So look at the example, 20 plus 30 multiplied by 40. We have two operators here, addition and multiplication. As multiplication is having higher precedence, so we evaluate 30 multiplied by 40. We don't need to put within brackets, but for a clear idea, 30 multiplied by 40 is placed within brackets. Now step 2 is addition. Look at another example, 20 minus 30 plus 40, left to right. We have two operators, minus and plus, both are having equal precedence. The first one is minus, so minus is applied. Then is your addition. I repeat, for our clear idea only, we use parenthesis. We don't need to put parenthesis like that in an expression evaluation if the parentheses are not specified. So look at another example. We have parenthesis here, 20 plus 30 placed within brackets, multiplied by 40. Even though multiplication is higher precedence than the plus, but this is placed within brackets, we need to evaluate the one which is placed parenthesis first. Look at this, 15.0 by 4 plus 8 plus 3.0. The one which is placed within brackets is to be evaluated first. 8 plus 3.0 is 11.0. And division and addition, as division is higher precedence, so division first and then is addition.